Welcome back to the video. This is your boy Hollywood. I got Moon with me in the front seat. As you guys can see, I got a Tropos in the back. I'm finna go take it up to big number one so we can get it serviced. I need to get a couple things done, like get the valves checked, spark plugs, new fork oil, just like the general maintenance, like the $20,000 maintenance that I've been talking about. Oh yeah, gotta show you guys. I'm gonna show you guys the ceramic coating out in the sun. Man, look at that thing, man. That is beautiful. I don't know how well. Yes, sir. Look at that. Oh my God. That looks beautiful out in the sun. And then you can see a couple of my scratches I got right there on the front wheel. But that's neither here nor there. But like I said, we're about to head up the road. But we got like an hour drive in front of us. And then once we get up there, we might do a little new bike shopping. Who knows? I know they have some Ducatis up there I want to look at. So I'm gonna get up there, look at some new bikes, get my bike unloaded, and then yeah, we're gonna see what the damage is. We just made it big number one over here in Birmingham, Alabama. They actually don't have a big sign up, but we got the bike here. We're about to get it unloaded, about to walk inside, get everything situated, and then yeah. Saying goodbye to my baby back there. Right now, we dropped the bike off. We're about to go inside and look at some potential new bikes. We've seen some Ducatis in there. I don't think they have the new Ducati in there, but I am going to sit on a couple. And what about you, Moon? You going to sit on anything?
Maybe the V2.
Maybe. We'll see. Look at this beautiful M1K. Shout out to boy Rafa. Look at this. Glistening. Okay. There we go. Better little picture. This beautiful Ducati V2. V2s are growing on me, but the only thing I don't like is the shock on the side. That is a little weird to me, but nonetheless, Ducatis are beautiful machines. And then obviously we have the V4 Streetfighter right beside it. It's actually quite light. I can see myself going to a V2 or a V4. It's on the Streetfighter. Brings back memories. So the V4 brings back memories definitely from when I had my FZ07. Same sitting position, except for this one doesn't have a windscreen at all. Our little FZ07 had a little mini windscreen in the front, but other than that, obviously, beautiful, beautiful machine. Can't beat that red. These R7s and MT07s right here. What do you think about that, Moon? Someone's bike's gonna look like this pretty soon. Hint, hint. Whenever the rebuild video starts, someone's bike's gonna look like this. In GYTR parts, that blue's gonna look pretty clean. This was the machine I had, except for this is the MT07. I had the FZ07. This is my first bike actually. Loved it. Good bike. Coming over to the fast boy lane over here. Dude, everybody knows, I don't care who you are, everybody knows fast guys are on jigsters. As much as they get hate, these is where the party is at. If you want to be fast, get a jigster. If not, there's other there's other brands out there that are fast, but these new jigsters are insane. I hate to admit it, but I've gotten walked by one multiple times. So now this is what you need right here. You did. Could you guys see me on one of these? These are actually dangerous. I hate seeing these on mob rides and stuff like that. They're cool little weekend bikes to me, but dude, these things are freaking dangerous. Here. Don't pause it. I know how you do. Okay. I know how you do.
Yes. The brake lights are lighting up.
I know. I was like, I didn't touch anything. So yeah, we got the bike dropped off. He's gonna text me a number to see if I will approve of the final service pricing and parts and stuff like that. If not, I can come pick the bike back up. I actually like that little feature. This is actually my first time actually using them as far as like a dealership and getting stuff done. So far, it's been a good experience. And you know, Moon here was looking at the S1K, and he was talking to him about trading his R7 in for S1K, and he was like, "Yeah, I don't really want to screw you over on your negative equity," and you know, I like that. You know, a lot of workers are here to get their commission and screw over anybody that comes their way. And so far, this has been a pretty good experience working with them. Hopefully, I don't have to go back on my word and be like, "Ah, fuck these guys," or something like that. But yeah, so this is gonna wrap it up for the video. Hopefully, you guys enjoyed. If you did, comment down below. Like, comment, subscribe, share. Don't forget, wear your gear, ride safe. Keep chasing greatness. And I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.